And action!
Hello, we're here now and it's Furby time. I'm gonna show you what my Furby's called. A Furby does. Here's my Furby. This is what my Furby looks like. He's a very big maniac. I'm gonna wake him up. So now let's wake him up. As you can see, it's a girl. She just said good morning.
Oh, Connie.
Oh.
Okay.
Now, this is a maniac thing.
Hey, tonight, do you joke? OMG. Okay, like so, my gosh.
Now, if you have a one Furby token, then if you have a cuddly toy like this one, what I have over here, you can take it here and talk to it and make it look like it's real, like this. Hello, what's you? What's your name? My name is Lily. What's yours?
Hey, Nula, baby,
Lulu.
Sure.
Sha na na na, wa na na na. Sha na wa na ba na 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 na. Now I'm gonna put my toy. And now I'm gonna show you the Furby app.
Sure.
Here's my Furby. Taking sleep. Give it some food. Of course. Got some milk. Now let's give him a big one. He can even eat pants and stuff. Of course he doesn't like it that much. You can make him a sandwich, whatever you want for him. Here we are. Like this one, I always made him.
Oh, Connie.
You just ate it. And
Coco.
see, he likes this. He likes Coco.
Okay,
Now my Furby dances. I put her next to my piano and play something. Na na na, na 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 na. Furby liked it. So you can tell secrets to him. Lovely.
Okay. Okay.
Sometimes it says, give Lulu a big cuddle.
Stop, baby. Wow.
Look
Stop,
at that.
baby. Love it. Blah, 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 blah.
And he's also rude. Very rude. And now let's try with my more original Furby. When I got in when I was at my friend, she gave me because it was like sort of summer, but it was almost my birthday. Let's pretend. Wa na na na, sha na na na, wa na 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 na. They even whisper. No, that's the first time I've seen him whisper.
Oh, Connie. You?
I got him today. It's the English Christmas Day, so I got it this morning.
Oh, Cockatoo. Yeah.
So I want to have a lot of fun. So I think this might be the end of my video. Oh, and one more thing. I would like to show you something. Here I have a very old toy.
Hey, hey.
It was built in the flat, we found it there, so we took it. It records you. Sha na na na, wa na na na, sha na wa na. Now we're gonna just switch it off, put it down. Let's play with my Furby. Sometimes my cats chase it. I even have one here, but it's sleeping. That's a good sign. So, thanks for watching, folks.